BioDiem is an ASX-listed company. We're developing therapies for major infectious diseases and related cancers. Our main focus is our influenza vaccine technology, and this is already licensed and generating revenue for the company. We've also got a very strong pipeline of programs targeting high-value infectious diseases, and this positions us very well in the current market. We have a fantastic international network of very well-credentialed international health organisations, the WHO. We have research programs and collaborations with the US National Institute of Health, the US military, and a lot of programs going on in local Australian universities. And we've also got a couple of commercial partnerships with the Serum Institute of India and BCHT in China. BioDiem is very well positioned currently in the marketplace. We've been flying under the radar in recent times while we've driven our revenue generation and also progressed our development programs. And so today, as a result, we have a unique value proposition. We're a very small market cap company, but we've got significant milestones coming up in the related news flow, and we believe that that will support better than market performance. We have a very effective international partnering network which supports our strong board and a small management team. I've been Chief Executive Officer of BioDiem for the past almost 4 years, and I have a very small and agile team working with me and a very strong board. Hugh Morgan is the chairman of our board, and Hugh's recently chairman of the Business Council of Australia, and he's one of the best commercial brains in Australia. Professor Larissa Rudenko is the head of the Department of Virology in the Institute of Experimental Medicine in St. Petersburg, and Larissa is in charge of our influenza program internationally. She's a WHO expert, and we're very lucky to have access to her on the board. Mr. Don Brooks is our US-based director, and Don was senior counsel of licensing for Merck & Co. And Don's been a fantastic asset for the company with our contract and licensing negotiations. And Professor Arthur Lee is a very well-credentialed and respected educator and surgeon, and he's the Deputy Chairman of the Bank of East Asia and also an Emeritus Professor of the Department of Surgery in the Chinese University of Hong Kong. And I've got a very strong background in biotech and multinational pharmaceuticals. Well, over the last 12 months, we've had quite a lot of progress in the company and some significant milestones. Just a year ago, we did a license deal with Changchun Biotech, BCHT in China, and that was for our flu technology and a very major commercial step for us. We also, in the middle of last year, we in-licensed 2 fantastic vaccine technologies from the ACT, from the University of Canberra and the ANU, and one targets the treatment of hepatitis and another dengue fever and related diseases. Also, more recently, we initiated a proof of concept study with the Queensland Institute of Medical Research, and that will be targeting schistosomiasis, and we're really excited about that project. That's using our antimicrobial project BDMI. And last year we also closed off just the first stages of our LAIV vector development program, and that was with Vivalis, a French vaccine development company, and that closed off really successfully. Well, what you can expect to see from BioDiem over the next 12 months is that together with our partnering network, we'll be pushing ahead on all our development programs as well as commercial opportunities with our flu vaccine. You can look to news flow from the Serum Institute of India. They're looking for export approval for the flu vaccine to the other countries in their network, and that means an increase in revenue to us. So that's a really important one for for us. We're looking in the next couple of months for a manuscript to be published on the work that's being done at the University of Canberra on our hepatitis vaccine, and that is going to be a treatment vaccine, so that's also a very significant and important project therapeutically. We're also in the next 12 months looking to get proof of concept results for our antimicrobial BDMI, and what we'll do then is we'll package that data, and for example also with our I project BDME, package the data, and we can use that to present to potential licensees or acquirers of those technologies. At the end of 2012, we completed a $2 million fundraising, and so over the next 2 years you'll see us able to deploy that money to really push ahead aggressively on all our development programs. And we're a very small but agile company, and our main focus is to really create shareholder wealth from realising the value of those assets. While we are a small Australian biotech company, we do have a very strong partner network, an international network, and a very strong board. We have a small team, but we have development programs and a commercial product, all targeting high-value diseases which are familiar to us all, these infectious diseases that we're aiming for. We have already a commercial product which is generating revenue, and we have successful licensing track record, and so our aim is to convert these assets from our development program and license them out to create shareholder value. You can find out more information about BioDiem from our website, biodiem.com, or from the Wholesale Investor website. Our code's BDM.